My name is Alan Hooper. I'm a crew leader here at the Nevada Maintenance Facility. Been with MoDOT for a little over 9 years. Today we're going to be talking about winter ops and preparing for them and inspecting equipment and safe operation. Prior to participating in winter operations, you'll need to have completed the classroom portion of training for dump trucks, radio, and cargo securement. You also need training in front-end loader and basic snow removal. You will then begin the on-the-job training portion of training. You'll want to meet with your mentor at your assigned facility to go over your OJT checklist. During winter operation, you will be exposed to extreme weather conditions and long hours. You'll want to have the necessary PPEs required. You'll also want to consider having the following in the event of an emergency. If you become stuck on the road: some water, food, extra clothes, socks, coveralls, winter coat, face mask, ice cleats. You may be required to work long hours, which you then may become drowsy or fatigued during winter operations. Do your best to get plenty of rest prior to your shift. If you become drowsy, pull over at a safe location and let your supervisor or your crew leader know. When possible, do your best to take your lunch breaks at your maintenance facility. Prior to beginning winter operations, you need to conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection of not only your vehicle, but all of your attachments. It is especially important to make sure all the following are working and in good condition. You'll need to check all of your vehicle lighting is working. Be sure to clear the buildup of snow and ice off your headlights, plow lights, all your rear lights, and all your warning lights at the beginning of the shift and throughout the shift as needed. Check your heater that all the settings are working properly. Check your wiper blades and your windshield washer fluid. Make sure that they are working properly. Throughout your shift, keep the cab steps and ladder free of ice and snow buildup. When inspecting either the front plow or wing plow, you will want to inspect the following. All controls in the cab are working properly. Check the overall condition of the plow. Check the frame for any damage or cracks. Make sure the lift chains are set properly. Check all cylinders and hydraulic hoses to make sure that they are in good condition and not leaking. Check all your pins and cotter keys, that they are in place and not missing. Check your plow blades and bolts, that they are in place and not missing. It is important to inspect your plow blades for wear regularly. Check to make sure the plow will raise and lower and turn left and right. When inspecting the cinder bed, you'll want to look for the following: that the cinder bed is secured in the vehicle properly. Extreme caution should be used when accessing the bed by truck ladder or walk rail when away from the maintenance facility. The load should be inspected using approved stairs when available. Avoid climbing on sides of the truck to check spreader material level. Never climb on top of a cinder bed. Check that the chain has been properly adjusted. The chain and the spreader are working. Check the bearings that they are in good condition and greased. Check all the hydraulic hoses that they are in good condition with no leaks. Check the gate that it is set at the proper height. And make sure your stay back sign is legible. You will also need to make sure your GL400 or your ACS unit is calibrated and working properly. Once the calibration is complete, you'll need to do the checking of the following. All electrical connections are connected and there's no corrosion. You should apply dielectric grease to all your electrical connections. Be sure your settings are correct for the materials you will be applying. Rule of thumb is 200 pounds per lane mile. Make sure both the spot and blast button are working. Each winter event is different depending on the type of storm that affects your area, and you may need to utilize tire chains or cable systems to increase your traction. Be sure to read the manufacturer's use and installation instructions prior to using these systems. Winter operation is one of MoDOT's biggest and most important operations. You will be exposed to many hazards. If you have any questions or concerns, talk to your supervisor, crew leader, or any other of the great employees at your facility. Always remember that safety begins with you. Take the time to be safe so our customers are safe and we all go home safe.